Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this fully loaded 2015 Winnebago Itasca Suncruiser 38Q triple slide luxury Class A gas motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 39 feet 3 inches, and the exterior height to the dual TrueAir Maximum Comfort low profile AC units is 12 feet 6 inches. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is pretty much a fully loaded luxury Class A gas motorhome. Does have the full walk-on fiberglass roof, dual pane windows, full body paint, 22.5 aluminum alcoil wheels, and this coach is equipped with satellite. Alright, you got the idea of the floor plan. Go ahead and show off the first super slide. First super slide is going to accommodate the Fireplace, Entertainment Center, and the table and chair dinette, the glide and dine dinette, which I'll show you, and also the residential refrigerator. The Fireplace is going to be about a 5,000 BTU heating source. TV looks like maybe a 60-inch, and it's by Samsung. Show off the Samsung badge right there. Does have home theater, DVD, all the good stuff. This is going to be your Euro recliner. It's going to be a cream color, ultra leather finish. The coach has not been detailed, so some of the leather is a little dirty, but still does not show any wear and tear. This is the glide and dine dinette, which is a pretty cool concept Winnebago offers. Again, all the fabrics show no wear and tear. The cabinets, I believe they're calling it a glazed honey cherry finish. Kind of zoom in on the cabinets there. Cabinets are going to be some of the best in the industry, definitely. Your hardware is going to be looks like a brushed nickel hardware. Also in the super slide is the residential refrigerator by KitchenAid. There's that KitchenAid badge right there. The refrigerator is showing some signs of use, and I'll show you the few little dents on top. Let's see if I can get the lighting right on the top of the freezer door there. Anyway, just a few little dents on top, but it just needs a quick wipe down. Refrigerator is dirty. It does have ice maker. This is going to be your second slide out. Again, another super slide. Starting the L lounge area and work my way back to the kitchen. This L lounge, when the slide out is in, this portion of the couch comes up, collapses in, and slides in, so you can walk through when all the slides are in. Definitely a neat concept. And again, ultra leather finish, and it's just dirty. All it is dirt. The owners, again, they have not had a chance to detail it. They just can't do it. So anyway, dual pane windows, frameless tinted dual pane windows, and you do have the full MCD roller blind package on this coach, including up in the cockpit area, which I'll show you. Those are the best blinds you're going to get. Corian countertops, solid surface countertops, nice leaf extension here. Lots of pots and pans drawers up underneath. You do have 3-burner gas cooktop, and there is a little crack in the solid surface countertop right there. I'm not sure how that happened, but anyway, I find it important to point out stuff like that. Beautiful tile backsplash. You do have a convection oven, so you do not need a traditional RV oven. And it's by Sharp. All name brand appliances. Walking my way back into the hallway to the bathroom. You do have a split bath. One-piece shower with collapsing glass door. Medicine cabinet, vanity area, and again, solid surface countertops. Private toilet, foot flush china toilet with sprayer, and another vanity area and medicine cabinet. Soft touch vinyl ceilings, recessed LED puck lights all throughout. Walking into the master bedroom, this is going to be your third slide out. It's going to be a king bed. King bed does slide out. Beautiful headboard, by the way. This does have the ideal rest, basically like a Sleep Number mattress. Kind of show that off right there. Ceiling fan in the bedroom. Stackable washer and dryer by Splendid. Show that off what it looks like when it's closed up. Nice closet to the left of the washer and dryer. And there's your TV. This coach has 3 TVs in it, and this one looks like maybe a 36-inch flat screen. I do want to point out there's no water damage. It's just this wallpaper has curled up. The owners have been in Florida, and I don't know if the heat had anything to do with that when it was in storage, but it's not water damage. It's just cosmetic. Easily probably be fixed with a hairdryer and some glue. Solid wood pocket door. I check all coaches inside and out for water damage, delamination. Did not find any issues with this coach. It's going to be your central command here. Buttons up to the top. Work my way down. Those are going to be your slide out buttons. And you can actually turn off your slide outs so nobody messes with your slide outs. This is going to be your TrueAir Maximum Comfort thermostat, basically to operate your low profile dual AC units and your 40,000 BTU furnace. This is going to be where you monitor your tank levels and your water heater. It's going to be a 10-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater, and just below that is going to be I believe that's going to be your solar, and then below that your energy management system. It tells you how many amps you're pushing, and this is your generator start and stop button. And this is your energy management system, and this is your generator start and stop button. Getting ahead of myself. And this is going to be your 2,000 watt inverter, and that will show you a little digital readout on status. All right. Your AC is going to be one of the quietest in the industry. That's because your returns are scattered out all throughout the coach. On the left-hand side, look in front, is going to be your return, and on the right-hand side are going to be your exhaust. And I've got them on right now, so pretty quiet. You have looks like an ultra vinyl flooring. Looks like a tile, but it's definitely a residential grade vinyl flooring. This is going to be up in the cockpit area. That's going to be your power MCD shades for sun visor and blackout. And you do have shades on the side too for pilot and co-pilot seat. Co-pilot seat does have footrest, and I believe it's going to be at least a 4-way Ultra leather, excellent condition. Nice workstation here that pulls out, by the way. And you have hookups for smart device and 110 out hookup in the desk area there for the co-pilot seat. All right, in the pilot seat, you do have a stereo with it might have mirroring capability for smart device, and it also is your backup camera and your side view camera display. Switches to the right there, radio, generator, start and stop button, coach heat and defrost fan. There's your temperature controls right there, easy to figure out. The coach is sitting on the Ford 6.8 liter Triton V10 gas engine, 362 horsepower, 457 foot-pounds of torque, 5-speed torque shift transmission with overdrive, 5,000-pound towing capability. Start up the engine, show off the mileage. Not sure if you can see it. 26,805 miles currently on the coach. Auto leveling down at the bottom there, and your light switches, fog lights up top there, your battery boost button which ties your house battery and chassis battery together. This does have the driver's side door, and these are your power shade buttons that I told you about, the MCD power shades. That driver's door more than likely was an option. And up here, show off, there's your wine guard satellite and DVD, all the good stuff, your entertainment setup there. Okay, let's speed up this video, give you one last look inside. Turn off the generator. Beautiful full body paint coach. Most of your gas motorhomes will not have full body paint. There'll be decals. There are no decals on this coach. And beautiful front molded cap, one-piece windshield, beautiful front cap. 3M mask. 3M mask is showing, I'm not sure if that's just dirty or what. And again, the owners have not had a chance whatsoever to detail it. It's dirty. Full awning package, door awning, power awning. Didn't put out the main awning because we're in the street, but it's 14-foot power awning. And slide out awning package, frameless, tinted, dual pane windows. Definitely something you're not going to find usually on a gas coach. 22.5 aluminum alcohol wheels. The tires are shot. While they were in Florida, the sun just hit them and they're dry rotted. They are Michelin's, but they're due. They need to be changed out. Beautiful though, aluminum alcohol wheels, side opening baggage doors, side hinge baggage doors. You do have pass-through storage there, and pass-through storage there. There's going to be your 2,000 watt Magnum inverter right there. Did not see any rock chips on your baggage doors. Your batteries, coach batteries, and your house batteries. Not sure. House batteries might be inside, up underneath the entry step. And I believe these baggage doors are insulated. And again, tires are dry rotted. There's no sign of sun fade on this coach. It's just those tires really didn't hold up well. LP tank, not sure what size it is. There's your water heater, 10-gallon. Storage compartment. Here's your low point drain valves. Winterizing setup, easy to winterize. Auto leveling. This is going to be the F53 chassis. Beautiful rear fiberglass cap, ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. There's your backup camera. Furnace exhaust right here. 5,000 pound tow rating on your receiver. The owners do have a Blue Ox tow system for their tow vehicle. They're not including it with the coach, but if you're interested in it, maybe y'all can work something out. 5500 Onan gasoline generator. There's your 50 amp power cord. Obviously this is a 50 amp coach. Your fuel fill, 80 gallon fuel cell on this coach. Your water hookups, and this is all heated compartment area, black water, black sewer flush, black tank sewer flush, all the good stuff. I showed on the other side, that's all that pass-through storage. Kind of focus on the condition here. I did check for that delamination, which is the bubbling you get on the side of the coach on the outside, usually caused by water damage. Did not find any issues. Other than it's dirty, it's in pretty good shape. The only cosmetic part of the coach that I found on the outside is this, and the owner thinks maybe the sun, when he was in Florida, expanded this trim piece, and it's just screwed on right there. It's just a little trim piece, and it bent out. It's strange. Anyway, easy replacement. Can't imagine it costing more than $100. Driver's side door, again, I think that was an option. Power heated chrome mirrors with camera integrated on each side. Little piece of chrome came off right there. Again, I find it important to point out anything that could be a concern or an issue to a potential buyer. I'll show off that Ford Triton V10 badge right there. Might as well show off this tire since I showed them all off. Beautiful full body paint. Let's see if I can show the satellite up top there. There's the satellite up the front. There's your low profile TrueAir Maximum Comfort AC units, and it does have a Max Air vent cover. It looks like in the bathroom there in the center. And you do have, it looks like satellite in the middle. See that plate? So this probably has satellite, or I'm sorry, solar. Getting ahead of myself. See, it's dirty. See how dirty it is up top there? Beautiful front end. I know I didn't get everything. This coach is fully loaded. Fully loaded luxury Class A gas motorhome. Anyway, if you want to come see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.